I try to have basically a diet rich in vitamin C. I have a lot of broccoli I eat, a lot of citrus fruits.
Approximately 40% of people in window seats get up during the flight, approximately 60% in middle seats, and approximately 80% of people seated in aisle seats get up and move about in flight. People who are in a window seat, don't have people exposed to that, or aren't being exposed to other passengers passing back and forth in the aisle.
It's important to remember that our usual hygiene behaviors are still really, really important. So, I think over decades and decades of research, hand washing keeps coming up as the most important thing that we can do to stay healthy.